In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up your Android Auto on your Toyota HCR 2023. Now first we need to connect the phone using the USB cable. So here is the front of the car. So that's the gearbox right here, and then you connect to that port. So connect to that. Then connect to your phone, and on the phone here is a welcome to Android Auto. So tap on next, and then we go to the screen to continue. Select Android Auto on your car system. Now I'm on the car system. Just press on the menu button, then tap on Android Auto, and here say welcome to Android Auto. So tap on OK, and from here you can view the map. So here we can view the map. You can make phone call via Android Auto. You can play Spotify music. Now of course you do need to log into your Spotify. You can use map. So here we've got map, and then tap on search. Now to navigate to a location on my phone, I can enter in the address, or I can just use my thumb here and then tap on the start button, and that's it. Then on your display it will show the maps with your Android Auto on. So that is how you can connect your Android Auto, and that's it. So if I press on that menu key, Android Auto is available in here. So the setup is straightforward. Just connect your USB cable on your phone. You should be able to use Android Auto, and from here you can make phone call, listen to music, use map navigation, and this is settings. So you can go into settings and make the changes in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.